Hi, good afternoon all. To be very honest, I like to give advice to people, and people have a way of coming to me for advice all the time. In my head, it was a way that I could help people whom I cared about. But through this course, I have come to realize that you're not supposed to give advice to them. They know what to do themselves. You just need to lead them into the right direction and simplify their goals for them. What I'm going to miss the most from this course is going to be Mrs. Linda Thakur's way of showing us various videos just to make our minds proactive. Mrs. Sujata Abraham's way of explaining each and every concept to us using her own life experiences. Mrs. Nolin's calm and collective way of explaining each and every concept to us very patiently. And Avesa's way of teaching us the most intricate matters in a very matter-of-fact way. My biggest takeaway from this course is that I found myself, and with that, an urge to make my life better and that of the others around me. Thank you all for this enriching experience.
Thank you, Mamta. Hi, everybody. First of all, I want to thank my friend Dharini, who introduced me to this wonderful course. During the lockdown, I was trying to help people who just wanted to talk to someone or just want someone to listen to them. On these lines, I wanted to do something. So, this course has helped me a lot in understanding myself. So, if I can understand myself, I can help others also. And thank you to all the faculty like Abhay sir, Linda ma'am, Sujata ma'am, Noeli ma'am have helped me to understand myself very much with all their videos and clippings and their messages, all the content of the course. I love talking to people and interacting with people, which helped me out in the breakout room and with some awesome friends I have met, and for my lifetime. It's a wholesome experience for my lifetime. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sangeeta. So, from the beginning, I was really excited about the course. I have learned a lot throughout my journey. The course developed me as an individual in many ways. To be frank, I was always an introvert kind of a person, but it's only because of the course and especially the breakout rooms which boosted my confidence every single day. Interacting with so many different kinds of people gave me a totally different perspective towards life. Sujata ma'am, Linda ma'am, Noeli ma'am, Abhay sir, all was so amazing. I would say I have got a lot of insight about myself. At the beginning, there were a lot of blind spots, but at the end, there's a really big self disclosure. There are a lot of things that I will be taking with me, but the most important thing is the self confidence. And last but not the least, I got some really amazing friends. Thank you for always being so supportive. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Dharini. So when I started the course, I had a curiosity on whether I can turn the interest that I have in counseling psychology into something professional, or if it's merely an interest for me. Now when it's ending, I'm realizing becoming a professional or not is another thing, but how in so many other ways it has helped me in my personal growth. The initial sessions with Abhay sir about self-awareness and growth, Noeli ma'am's beginning exercises at the starting of every session, Sujata ma'am and Linda ma'am's fair share of personal experiences. All these have changed my perspective on so many things in a positive way. I have learned so much more about me in these 3 months than I have in a long time now. There are many quotes in the sessions that were kind of eye-openers for me, but one quote specifically stuck with me. If you avoid conflict to keep the peace, you start a war inside yourself. I can really relate to this quote. So for me, the greatest impact is the optimism, self-confidence and patience that this course instilled in me. Now on to Mamta.
Good evening. The role reversal from a teacher to a student was a life-changing experience. Initially, I was slightly skeptical about this online learning module. But the inaugural session by Abhay sir, followed by a roller coaster ride into various aspects of personal counseling by Sujata ma'am, Linda ma'am, and Nolin ma'am, was a truly enriching and exciting experience. Last but not the least, from the bottom of my heart, I thank the entire team of XICP for designing this module, conducting very nicely, even in an online session, and my wonderful set of friends whom I met over here. Without them, this entire interactive session would have been not possible. The entire module has helped me a better person and well equipped to handle myself, people around me, and help my students in particular in much better way. Thank you. God bless you all.